$123,000 in 90 days. In this video, I'm about to show you exactly how I achieved this outcome without any prior experience or any skills. I'm going to show you in this video the method that I used to achieve this outcome and how I was able to get up to 95% profits on every single sale that I made, give my customers instant access to their purchases, and also have infinite possibilities to scale. And I'm going to show you how you can achieve this in the easiest, fastest form possible that actually lasts long term. So to get this video started, what I want you to do right now is open the text guide down below in the description of this video. There will be links in there that you will need to perform this method. And if you follow me to a T, click where I click, do what I do, by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to do exactly what I did to achieve the $123,000 in 90 days. And also, if you like to make quick and easy money online, I highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, because if you're not subscribed, you are going to miss the future videos. YouTube will not show them to you. So just go ahead and press that button right now. Step number 2 in this video, I want you to go ahead in the text guide down below. I want you to open Udemy. In this website here, you're going to be choosing the niche that you're going to be creating a digital product to be able to sell. Don't worry, you won't need any previous experience. I'm going to explain how you're going to get AI to do everything for you. Once you're here on the Udemy website, if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see that there are several categories here on their homepage: ChatGPT, data science, Python, machine learning, deep learning. These are all things that are trending right now. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to see the courses that are actually selling. This guy here is selling a course about ChatGPT, complete guide, learn mid-journey, ChatGPT 4 and more for $16.99 with a huge discount. And it has been sold here on the Udemy platform 29,588 times. Rated at a 4.6 stars means this product is very good. Like, people like it a lot. Now, once you decide what type of product you want to create, what niche you're going to be creating that product in, I want you to open up a Google Doc, and you're going to save the niche in a Google Doc just so you keep everything organized. So you're going to organize your Google Doc exactly like I'm doing right now. So niche, and as you can see here, I was wrong. This product here has 175,000 students with 30,000 ratings. 30,000 ratings at $16.99. 175,000 people bought this. That's $2,972,250. That's almost $3 million with one single product, one single digital product that you only have to create once. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to decide what type of product you want to create. Let's just say that, for example, I'm going to create a ChatGPT course, an AI course. I'm going to copy this same title here just so I have it. I want you to do it exactly the same. I want you to go to Udemy. I want you to search for a course that you might be interested in creating. Don't worry, like I said, you don't need any skills. I'm going to show you how you can get AI to do everything for you. Now, once you've decided what type of product you want to create, all you need to do is just look at what other products on the same niche that are similar to the one that you want to create have in their modules. So in this case here, it's very easy for me to see because this product here is very successful. So I could literally just take all of the modules that they have here and create my version of them. So what I can do here is just copy all of these modules, go back to my Google Doc, and I can paste them in just like this. What you'll learn: ChatGPT, create content, synthesize information, learn faster than ever with effective prompt engineering. So all of these things are the chapters and the modules that we're going to include in our course. So creating a course is very similar to creating a book. How do you create a book or a course, for example? First, you need a point A and a point B. So you need to clearly take a person from point A to point B in a way that's easy to understand and that has a clear goal and a clear time frame. So for you to be able to take person from point A to point B, independent if you're doing a course, a book, whatever you're doing, you need point A, point B, and then what comes in the middle are going to be the modules. Just so you don't have to keep searching and trying to figure out what the modules are going to be, the middle points from point A to point B, you can just look at other products that are already successful like this one, and you can simply copy their modules, because if it is here, it's because that's what people need to know to get from point A to point B, and you don't have to figure it out because this product here is literally very, very successful. And that's exactly how people create any type of product that is information based. A book, for example, when you're trying to write a book, you're going to create first the chapters and then you write the chapters. So you decide what chapters the book is going to have, and then you come back and you write the chapters. I'm going to put on the screen as well right now a list of a few websites that you can search for courses that you can take a look at other products that might be similar to the one that you want to create. If you're unsure about what type of modules you need to add to your product, you can also look in these websites as well. So let me name a few of them for you, but you can just pause the video here and take a screenshot if you want to. So some of them are Udemy, Teachable, Coursera, Skillshare, Thinkific. There are also other websites on the market, but these are the most famous ones. And there's also 5 websites. I don't think it's necessary for you to look in more than 5 websites. This is probably all you need. Now you could write these yourself. You could create these modules yourself if you wanted to. but the laziest way and the fastest way that you can do this and be able to pump out these modules very, very quickly is to just literally copy all of this information. Go to ChatGPT, paste it in, and then you tell ChatGPT to create the modules for your digital product. So what I personally would do is go to ChatGPT, paste all that information that we just wrote in the Google Doc, and then I'm going to tell it, I'm creating a digital course. Please organize this information for me in product name, modules, and lessons. So it's not going to create the course right away. We're going to need this information that it's going to give us, for then we can create each lesson individually. So as you can see on your screen right now, what it's doing is it's organizing all of that information in order from point A to point B, in an order that makes sense. All right, so you don't even have to worry which lesson is going to come first, none of that. ChatGPT is doing everything for you. Now, ChatGPT finished giving me the modules and lessons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it into the Google Doc in an organized fashion. So right now I'm going to write in the Google Doc product. You can do the same just so you keep everything organized, and then you can paste it here just like this. The next step that you need to take here is to actually create each individual lesson. How do you do that? You're not going to do it yourself, that's for sure. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the name of the lesson. You're going to go back to ChatGPT, module 1, for example, copy that, go back to ChatGPT, paste it in. Okay, so the prompt that you need to give ChatGPT is exactly the one that you're seeing on the screen right now. I want to create the script for each individual module, for me starting from the first one. We're going to do this one by one. So here is the first one. Okay, so if you try to do everything at once, first of all, the answer is going to be too big and you're not going to get a satisfactory answer from ChatGPT. So I highly recommend you do each module one by one. It's going to take you some time, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour, but at the end of it, you're going to have all of the script you need to create the videos. And I'm going to show you how you can get AI to do that for you as well, for your digital product that can literally make you millions of dollars. Okay, so what ChatGPT actually did, it didn't obey my prompt specifically, but it did something different, which also works in our situation. So let me explain it here, just so you understand what to do if this happens to you as well. So when I gave it the prompt to give me one module one by one, it understood the entire module. So it gave me lesson 1.1, 1.2, up to 1.4. And if you go back here and you look at the script, actually at the module and lessons, you're going to see that module 1 are all of these lessons. What ChatGPT actually understood from my prompt, it's actually my fault, is that it had to give me the entire module, which actually works because the entire module isn't so big. And as you can see, we got a very good answer and it actually does things a lot faster. So if you want to do it this way, I highly recommend it. Now I want you to take this first module and I want you to copy it, and I want you to, in a very organized fashion, post it into your Google Doc just like this. Go to the next page, module 1, like this. And you're going to do this to all of the modules in your course. If your course has 100 modules, you're going to do it to 100 of them. If it only has 2, you're only going to do to 2 of them. Okay, so I want you to do it to all of them. Now you have the script for all your lessons inside your digital product. Congratulations. Now you can go ahead and continue to step 4, creating the voiceover for your video. Now from here, you have 2 options. If you only have a phone, I highly recommend that you go with the first option that I'm going to give you. If you have a computer, you could also go through the second option that I'm going to give you. The first option, you're going to have to pay a certain fee. The second option, you can literally do it for free, but you're going to need a computer. So to be able to put this video together, now you have the script. All you need now is a tool like InVideo to create the video for you. But to use InVideo, you're going to need to pay a $20 a month fee, but it will also give you all of the footage you need. It will edit the video for you. It'll put the video together for you. It will do the voiceover, everything. If you don't want to go through InVideo, you can use something like 11 Labs for the voiceover. 11 Labs is also a paid product. If you want, you can get started for free. They will give you up to 10,000 characters per month, which I don't think will be enough for you to create an entire digital product, but you can also pay $1 a month for the first month as a starter plan to get access to 30,000 characters per month, or you can use the same plan that I use, which is the creator one, which gives you 100,000 characters per month. But as you can see, it's a paid product. Okay, Storyblocks will give you the best footage that you can find out there. If you're using specific footages, it's going to charge you a $25 per month or $35 per month, or you can sign up for CapCut for free to put together your audio and your footage. Like in this case, it's going to be a voiceover. And if you want to add some background music, you're going to have to go to Epidemic Sound, and Epidemic Sound will cost you another $10 a month. So if you take a look here, you're going to see that 11 Labs is a $5 fee a month. Storyblocks is another $25 at the minimum. CapCut is free, and you can also use Epidemic Sound for another $10. So if you decide not to use InVideo, you're going to be spending at least $40 to be able to put this video together. Now, there are 2 videos here on my channel. One of them literally goes through step by step what you have to do to create a video using method number 1. The second video will teach you step by step how to create a video using method number 2. I'm going to link those 2 videos at the end of this one. So if you're interested interested, you can watch them both and you can learn how to do both. And then you can choose whichever method you want to go with. At the end of the day, if you want to create a product that people actually are interested in buying, you're going to have to make a small investment. There is very little you can do for free nowadays, and it's very low quality. There are ways you can do it for low quality, but I'm not going to tell you that you're going to be able to make a lot of money with it, because I highly doubt that people are going to want to buy it. And if they do buy it, they're going to ask for a refund. So I highly recommend that you actually choose some high quality softwares to be able to create this digital product. Okay, Reese, so what is new in this video? What am I watching this video for? If you already made videos showing how to create videos with InVideo, and you've already showed us how to create digital products using other editing softwares, what am I watching this video for? Well, I've just discovered a platform which you can host digital products exactly like Shopify, but specifically for digital products, that will create an entire sales page for you using AI. It will literally create your store for you. So if you've ever used Shopify, you know that you need to understand a little bit to be able to create the store, set up the products. This website here will do everything for you. So the name of the website that I'm telling you right now is called MarketC. I'll include the link in the text guide down below, so you can just click on the link and open the website. Once you hit the homepage of the website, you're going to see this. Enter your product or type idea, generate my unique store. So we're trying to sell an AI digital course. So that's AI digital course. So I'm going to explain what my product is, and I'm going to click the button, click one button with one click, and it will create my store for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now we just wait, and as you can see, it's generating your entire store for you. And as you can see, it literally created an entire store for us. So let me close this up here so you can see the website. Digital AI Solutions LLC. It gave us a header, gave us a banner with some shop now buttons that people can use to purchase our product. So we can put some descriptions, tell people, our customers, what our product is about. We can add more variations of this product. People can add them to cart, and then they can go ahead and finalize the purchase. So just a few steps remain: upload the product, share the users, and get paid. It's as simple as that. So all you have to do now here is click continue. You have to create an account. Okay, so once you create your own account, this is what you're going to see. This is actually, you've just started your own business. This is truly an incredible moment to create your first product. Once you choose this option, you should already have your video and your digital product ready to be posted on this website. It will create the store for you, but the product has to be created following the previous steps in this video. So if you need extra help to set it up, you can literally speak to them. Grab a one-on-one time with the founder of the website to guarantee your launch is a success. This is actually pretty good, because you know, when a business is still small, you still have access to the owner of the website to literally take you by the hand and help you create your own website. This is kind of crazy, and I'm not sure how long this is going to last. This website will blow up in the future, and when it does, I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to speak to the founder. If you want to do that, just click here, book a free call, and it's completely free, by the way. Now, once you do that, you need to create your new product. You already have your course created. You've already created the videos. So what you need to do here is just name your product. So let me go back to my Google Doc. Let me take the name of my product here. I literally just copied the name of the product from the other one we found on Udemy. I highly recommend that you at least change the name. Ask ChatGPT to come up with something unique and create it for you. Okay? I'm just copying this to show you how to do it. So don't just copy people like this. Paste it in here. Now I'm going to tell it that my product is a digital product. Let's say that it costs $100 USD. Create and generate content. So if you don't have an image for your product yet, it can literally create the image for your product for you. It will take the name of your product and it will generate using a AI to create an image for your product. As you can see here, now we have a logo for my product, and once it does that, click on this checkbox here to make sure that your product is published once you finish setting it up. So $100 USD, gallery. You can add more images or videos of your product if you want to. If you don't have a description, you can ask either ChatGPT to create it for you, but it also gave you already one here generated using AI. If you want to create another description for your course, you can go back to ChatGPT. Since it already has all the information about your course, you can just tell it, create a description for my product for me, and it will generate a description for you. Now here in the digital downloadable assets, you're going to paste in the videos that you created for your course. This is where your course is going to be hosted. So when your customer makes a purchase on the website, these are the files he's going to get access to instantly. Okay, so just upload your files here, and after you're finished, you want to click here on save. Now these other three products here that you're seeing are just mock products it created from my store, but we can go ahead and just delete those. Delete one, delete two, delete this one as well. We're going to only leave the product that we created. Okay, so now you already generated your store, you've uploaded your product. Now you need to enable payouts and publish your store. So let's enable payouts. This is how you're going to be getting paid. Now you need to connect your preferred payment processor. So let's say that you're using Stripe. Let's say that you have a Stripe account. You're going to click here on Stripe and you're going to connect your Stripe account to the store. Let's say that you use PayPal. You're going to click here on PayPal and you're going to connect your PayPal account to this store. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click here to go to the next step to publish your store. Now, if you already have a domain, like for example, I have my domain prouniversity.io, I could literally just connect my domain to this website and then my digital product would be selling on my own domain. Okay, but if you don't have one, that's completely fine. Just click here, host on a subdomain. It's an easy start. Configure your subdomain. Here, I would highly recommend that you put the name of your product. In my situation here is ChatGPT Complete Guide. Let's just put this in. ChatGPT Complete Guide.markety.ai. Just click save. Public availability. I agree with the terms and conditions. Let's click publish. Now, once you hit this step, Markety is a paid product. So it will give you 14 days for free, which is more than enough if you follow this video to start making money ASAP. So you have 14 days to start making money. If you don't want to continue with it, you can cancel. But if you decide to continue with it, it's going to be $49 per month after that. Okay, so to have your store hosted on Markety is going to charge you a $49 per month fee, which is very, very cheap. And you're going to be making $100 per sale. So that's more than enough for you. Once you hit this page, just click here, subscribe and get full access. It's going to ask you for your payment details. You can just set it up. It's not going to charge you right away. It's going to give you a 14-day free trial for you to try it out, start making money. If you don't want, you can just cancel it. After you finish doing this, your store is going to be live for everyone to see. People can literally go into your store and they can add it to the cart and they can make the payments. You've already connected your payment processor. You have your digital product done. Everything is connected and good to go. Now, how do you drive traffic? How do you actually make sales? How do you get people to come to your product and buy your product? Well, in this video here, which you're seeing on the screen, I made a video about affiliate marketing. In this video here, I show you exactly what to do to be able to get traffic to your product. At the end of this video, in the 22-minute mark, I show you how to drive traffic to your product page. I'm also going to link this video down below so you can watch this video and you can learn how to drive traffic and actually make money from this product. In this video here, I show you how to drive traffic. I show you how to build an email list, which can also make you sales over and over and over on autopilot, by the way. So I highly recommend that you also watch this video. So if you're going with method number 1 of creating your course, watch the first video. If you're going with method number 2, watch the second video. And independent of the method that you choose to create your video, I highly recommend that you watch this one to learn how to drive traffic. So about 2 weeks ago, I posted this video here about school. And on this video, I show you Alex Hormozi talking about how to drive traffic to digital products. In this specific situation, he talks about driving traffic to a school community, but you can also use this strategy here to drive traffic to any other thing that you want online. So on the video about affiliate marketing that I just showed you, I'm showing you a unique strategy that not a lot of people know about with long form content. And in this video here, I explain how you can drive traffic with short form content. Let me just remind you that Alex Hormozi is a guy that has a net worth of over $200 million, and he is also the biggest investor in school. So how do I make $788 using this method? To be able to make $788 per day using this method, you're going to have to make 4 sales every single day, which is more than possible if you just use the methods that I'm showing you right now. If you go ahead and divide $788 per 4 sales per day, that's $197. So I highly recommend that you price your product at least $197. And I'm gonna put on the screen right now the screenshot of how much I made in my first 90 days of selling digital products, literally when I just created my YouTube channel. At the time, I had less than 5,000 subscribers. If I'm not mistaken, only 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Now, if I were you, I would not sleep on this method because the longer you wait, the more people are going to be doing this. As you can see, this method is fresh. The opportunity is new. The website is new. You can even speak to the owner, the CEO of the platform right now. Now I'm gonna put the 2 videos on how you can create the videos on screen, method number 1 and number 2. You can choose whichever one you want to watch. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder.